PaintlessDentRemoval.com, about ready to work on this dent in the fender of a Honda Accord. Looks like somebody sat on it or leaned on it. It's a dent that can be fixed without paint or Bondo by going to the inside of the dent and slowly hand tooling it back out. It's got a couple little deep dimples in the soft pressure dent of the fender, but it is fixable and can be done with paintless dent removal. For more information, you can go to paintlessdentremoval.com or call the number 949-795-8020. Here's the dent after we pop the initial pressure dent out. What's left is 3 dimples in the fender. These are your typical door ding type size dents or small pressure dents, which is usually the impact of when the dent gets pushed in. Still going to be able to perfect this dent by going to the inside and slowly hand tooling the dent out with paintless dent removal. Here's the after picture of a dent in the left front fender of a Honda Accord. Big pressure dent with 3 dimples in the middle of the dent. With PaintlessDentRemoval.com, we can fix these dents, pressure dents, without paint or Bondo by just going to the inside of the dent and slowly hand tooling it back out. You can go to PaintlessDentRemoval.com for more information to find out how it's all done and schedule an appointment for any mobile service that you might need to your home or office. Again, PaintlessDentRemoval.com, or you can go to our website and or call our phone number 949-795-8020.